Hello to Tapan and the rest of the Pure Maintenance of Central Illinois team. My name is Samantha. I'm reaching out from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Tapan earlier today and I told him that I was going to be sending out the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, one of your competitor sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So typically I send these out, and when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. But without further ado, let's get into it. So right here I am on your home page, which looks really good. So I actually did a word count on your home page here, which does look good, but it only has 664 words. And so Google is going to be rating your website based off of around 200 different factors. And one of those key factors is going to be content. And so you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this front page right here. And you guys have about half that much. So we'd want to double the amount of content that you guys have on your front page. And we also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google's going to come through and read through all of this, and they are going to deem whether or not the content on your page will help their users find the information or the service that they're looking for with ease. And in addition to that as well, we want to add some high volume relevant keywords to that content so we can get you ranked for the right things. So over here, I am on Google. The keyword that I will be using for the sake of today's video is mold remediation Peoria IL. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were able to just snag a few of those as customers, you'd be doing really well just for one keyword. And so right underneath that, usually here at the top, you're going to see Google Ads. There's no Google Ads showing at the moment for this keyword, but Google Ads are a really good way to get some customers through the door really quickly. It's typically going to be not your best return on investment, but it's good while you're trying to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. As long as you are doing them correctly. If you are not, you can actually just waste a lot of money on them. But right underneath that, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so in order to make it to the top 3, right here at the top of the page, you have to have basically the most citations. And so a citation is when your business is listed on a online local directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. You want to be on as many of those directories as you can, and you want to be on more of them than these 3 companies right here. And so beneath that, right here, we have our organic search results. And so this is really the main spot you want to be at. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, this is going to be what they click on, one of these results right here, and it's typically going to be one towards the top of the page. So it's really important to be ranked in these organic search results right here. So here we can see the first company that pops up. And so we can take a look through this site really quickly. And so I did a word count on them as well, and they actually only have 273 words. So they actually have even less words, but the main way that you get up to these organic search results is actually through backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just a shout out from another website. So the web is basically made up of businesses linking businesses and websites linking websites. And so you want to get these backlinks or shout outs from other relevant high-powered websites. So something like a popular and trusted local plumbing company or a real estate agent, that would be a really good example of a good place to find a backlink for a company like yours. And so right over here, I've jumped over to ahrefs.com. If you guys ever want to use this tool, try and do this on your own, I would definitely recommend it. Ahrefs, Ahrefs. is a really good tool. It costs around $400 a month to use it, but it gives you a lot of good information. So right here, I've typed in the website of the competitor we were just looking at before. And so as we can see, they have 53 backlinks from 16 different domains and are ranking for 66 organic keywords. So we can actually take a closer look and see what those keywords are. And so here over to the left, we can see all the keywords they're ranking for. We can see how many people search for that keyword a month. We can see how much traffic they get from that keyword and what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can kind of go through and pick which ones work the best for your website and kind of incorporate them into your content. And so the same way that we looked through the keywords, we can actually look through the backlinks as well. And so here we can see all the backlinks, and we can go through like we did with the keywords and kind of pick which ones would be the best for your guys' company. And we can see that by which one has a high DR domain rating. We can just go through here and pick and choose the best ones. So we want to completely outrank them. So we would pick the best from them. We could pick the best from a few other competitors, and then we could get a few of our own. We definitely want to have like close to double the amount that they have. So 49 is actually pretty easy to beat, but keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you guys provide. So we want to beat all of the competitors that you guys have, and we want to beat them by a good amount. And so over here, I've actually pulled up your site. And so right now you guys have 15 backlinks from 8 domains and are ranking for 2 keywords. And so as you can see, the keywords you're ranking for actually have your name in them already. So if people don't know your company and aren't already looking for them specifically, it's going to be harder for them to find you. But I think if you use the 3 things we talked about today, you should be able to rank fairly easily. And to go over what those were, it's number 1, more content, quality content with the right keywords. Number 2 is more citations to get you on the Google Map Pack. And then number 3 is high-powered, relevant backlinks. And so that's basically what I have for you for today. Hopefully you got something out of this video and enjoyed it. If you're interested in learning more or possibly teaming up, please reach out to me. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is going to be 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching.